Kingman Prairie Reserve spans 314 acres of premier Kansas wildlife habitat, defined by tall native grasses, rolling terrain, and dense draws that create exceptional cover and diversity. Located in south-central Kansas, the property offers highly productive habitat for upland birds, whitetail deer, and a wide range of native wildlife. Approximately 274 acres of quality grassland are complemented by 40 acres of tillable ground, providing a well-balanced mix of nesting cover, bedding areas, and supplemental food sources. Numerous draws and scattered thickets throughout the property offer critical shelter from prevailing winds and seasonal weather, supporting year-round wildlife use. Water is a key strength, with 3 ponds and 2 solar-powered water tanks ensuring dependable water availability across the landscape. The rolling topography and varied habitat naturally create travel corridors and edge cover, enhancing both wildlife movement and hunting opportunities. A standout feature of the property is its direct border with the Byron Walker Wildlife Area, effectively expanding usable habitat and offering long-term protection of the surrounding landscape. Conveniently located between Cunningham and Kingman, the property lies just 1 mile north of Highway 54, providing excellent access while retaining a quiet, secluded setting. Whether managed for upland bird hunting, deer habitat, or long-term conservation, Kingman Prairie Reserve represents a rare opportunity to own a high-quality Kansas grassland tract within a proven wildlife corridor. For an in-person property showing, contact Alex Burney or Jim Elliott